Welcome to DUDIR Academy. This video is about what to study and how to study for AIIMS examination. So here is the overview of the exam pattern and syllabus of AIIMS examination. All those job aspirants who are preparing for AIIMS examination can watch this video, which will help you to have an exam based study. So first I will explain about the examination pattern. Total hours of examination is 3 hours, that is 180 minutes, and the mode of examination is CBT, that means computer based test, and the types of questions are objective type, that is multiple choice questions. So these questions can be of direct questions, and also it may include the analytical or critical thinking questions. So total number of questions are 200, that is multiple choice questions are asked from nursing subjects, that is the syllabus of nursing, including image based questions, that is total 180 questions. 180 questions are from nursing syllabus, including image based or video based questions, and the MCQs from general knowledge, current affairs, arithmetic ability, reasoning and aptitude. So from these areas there will be 20 questions. Thus total of 200 questions will be there for the AIIMS examination. Then about the mark distribution, that is each question carries 1 mark. Each question carries 1 mark, and there is negative mark for wrong answers. That is, if you are marking the wrong answer, 1/3 mark will be reduced for each wrong answer. 1/3 mark will be reduced for each wrong answer. That means for 3 questions, 3 wrong answers, 1 mark will be reduced. For 3 wrong answers, 1 mark will be reduced. So be careful and try to avoid the negative marks. It will be good if you do the practice with AIIMS previous year question papers before appearing for the examination, so that you will get an idea of how the negative marks are coming and how you can try to reduce it. Next is about the image based questions, that is IBQ and VBQ. IBQ is image based questions and VBQ means video based questions. So recent entrance examination conducted by AIIMS had around 50 image based questions. Okay, around or almost 50 questions can be asked from this section, and video based questions can also be expected due to the changing trends of this nursing competitive examinations. So just we can expect this video based questions also. And here I am mentioning some of the common or important areas which you have to focus for your study. That include, first is the equipments and devices. Equipments and devices, that is just the examples like the ventilator, cardiac monitor, or the devices like the ET tube, airways, ambu bag, then hearing aids. These are all just the examples for equipments and devices. So these images of these devices will be given, and you will be asked to choose what is that image. Then second is about the instruments, like the surgical instruments like retractors, speculum, forceps, scissors, different types of scissors. So all these are important areas. Then the anatomical diagrams and body parts. The image will be given regarding a body part, and you have to find out what body part is this. Just like an example, pelvis or the image of the bones will be given, or identify the blood vessels or any organs. Then the disease conditions, that is the particular feature of a disease condition will be given, and the options will be given, and you have to choose from this. Just example like the carcinoma, or some ulcerations or abscess, infections, then congenital defects, then fracture, anomalies. These are all the areas coming in this disease conditions. All the disease aspects we have to include, that is from the central nervous system, starting from the central nervous system, which are the different disease conditions and what are the peculiarities can be asked. Then the clinical manifestations or signs. So in that include the different signs or clinical features found in particular disease, just like the example of Cushing syndrome. or exophthalmos. The image of the person with exophthalmos will be given, so you have to identify that. Like the clinical manifestations or some of the signs like the Kernig sign or Chadwick sign. So these are just the examples of these clinical manifestations or signs. Then comes a clinical test. Clinical test and clinical procedures. Administering injections. Clinical procedures like administering injections. So what type of injection is this? Or the traction, applying the traction, splint, or the procedures like the pleural aspiration, then bone marrow aspiration, lumbar puncture. These are just the examples of these clinical procedures. So you have to identify it, or some the positions for this will be asked. That is, a different positions will be asked, and you have to identify what position is this. Then surgical procedures. Surgical procedures include the major or minor surgical procedures. Just example for these procedures, surgical procedures include the Bildroth procedure or Whipple's procedure. Then comes the ECG and arrhythmias. That is the normal ECG and also the different abnormal ECGs, atrial flutter, atrial fibrillation, ventricular tachycardia, ventricular fibrillation. So all this is then heart block. So in all these cases, what are the ECG patterns, abnormal ECG patterns, you have to identify. The next is about the waveforms like IABP waveforms, okay, intra-arterial waveforms and all. Then the symbols and color coding. So in this, symbols means for the national health programs and what are the symbols associated with that particular health program. For example, national AIDS control program, or the biohazard waste or cytotoxic waste, the symbols or the color coding associated with that. Okay, so regarding the waste management. So these are all just the examples. These are all just the common areas or some important areas for these image based questions, and you can also expect the questions beyond these areas. So get prepared for the image based questions in the AIIMS examination. Don't miss this part while studying. You should also give much importance to these type of questions, and there are chance for image or video based questions. Also, please note that these are some of the areas or topics for image based questions. Then comes the nursing syllabus, that is our nursing subjects. So regarding this syllabus, we can divide it into our basic subjects, then main subjects and the other subjects. So in this, basic subjects include the anatomy, physiology, microbiology, psychology, sociology and all, and the main subjects include the foundation of nursing, medical surgical nursing, obstetrics and gynecological nursing, pediatric nursing, psychiatric nursing, community health nursing, and the other subjects include the nursing administration, nursing education and nursing research and statistics. So in coming in detail with these subjects, the basic subjects, first is the anatomy and physiology. So you should include the different vital organs of the body, the blood supply, the nerves, the weight, dimensions, functions, all these areas you have to concentrate. Also bones, joints, muscles, hormones. Okay, then immunoglobulins, all these are important in this anatomy, physiology. Then comes the microbiology. You should study the different types of microorganisms, the classification, the causative agents for the different diseases, what is the incubation period, then what are the diagnostic tests or staining methods used, then immunity, what are the types of immunity, what are vaccines, then the drugs used in different diseases and what are the side effects. All these are important in microbiology. Then in the biochemistry and nutrition, you should study the different, that is the carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, the classification, the sources, RDA, then calorie, then functions, deficiency, then fatty acid, amino acid, different nutritional programs, then immunoglobulins, then acid base balance, different body function test, that's coming in biochemistry. So these are all important topics coming in the nutrition and biochemistry. Then pharmacology, the different drugs, what are the antidotes, then what are the side effects of the drugs, and specific to different diseases, disease conditions, what are the drugs used. Then in psychology you have to include the cognitive processes like learning, intelligence, memory, then personality, attitude, and different theories, then different types of test, defense mechanism. And in sociology you have to include the concept of society, what is socialization, social process, family, marriage, social groups. So these are all the syllabus, whatever we have studied in the nursing syllabus has to be for each subject we have to include, but these are the different important areas. So from this allied subjects we have to include, or we have to expect about 30 questions. 30 questions can be expected from, almost 30 questions can be expected from these areas. Then comes to the main subjects, that is fundamentals of nursing. It's very important to study fundamentals of nursing. On analyzing the previous year question pattern of AIIMS, it is clear that foundation of nursing has a good weightage. Almost 20 to 30 questions can be expected from foundations of nursing from different areas like the meeting needs of patients, then infection control, medications, vital signs, health assessment, nursing process, then ethics, nursing as a profession, then different devices and equipments, wound care, then documentation, communication, health and illness, care of terminally ill. So these are all the different topics in fundamentals of nursing. It's very important. Then comes the medical surgical nursing, that is very, very important. 40 to 50 questions can be expected from the medical surgical nursing, starting from central nervous system, then CNS, respiration, GI system, endocrine, integumentary system, renal system, musculoskeletal, hematology, oncology, IENT, critical care, then fluid and electrolyte, immunological system, then disaster, emergency nursing and disaster management. So these are all the different topics, different areas important. And the common signs and symptoms associated with the disease conditions, different tests, diagnostic tests, all these are important in medical surgical nursing. Then in the pediatric nursing, almost 10 to 15 questions can be asked, starting from the neonatology, then growth and development, then high risk conditions, then system wise disorders, then congenital abnormalities, then pediatric emergencies, drug calculations, the equipments and procedures in pediatrics, and also the legal aspects. Then comes the obstetrics and gynecological nursing. So here also 10 to 15 questions can be expected from obstetrics and gynecological nursing. That is the anatomy and physiology, including the fetal skull, pelvis, placenta, all these are important areas. Then physiological changes in pregnancy important, then normal pregnancy, normal labor and puerperium, and also the abnormal conditions in each section and the emergencies. Then the drugs in obstetrics and gynecology, then what are the different terminologies or important topics in gynecological nursing is also important. Then comes the community health nursing. In community health nursing also you have to expect 10 to 15 questions, and it is important to note the demography, the epidemiology, that is including the different terminologies in epidemiology, then the concept of health and prevention, then health programs, health committees, schemes, health agencies, then communicable diseases, non-communicable diseases, family planning, then vaccination. And also it is good to study the recent pandemic, that is about COVID-19. That can also, the questions can also be expected from that section, so please note that. Then in psychiatric nursing, about 10 to 12 questions can be expected, and the important areas are theories in psychiatry, then important terminologies and different personalities associated with psychiatric nursing, and the important years, then defense mechanism, then different mental disorders like neurotic disorders, psychotic disorders, mood disorders, personality disorders, organic brain disorders, okay, sexual dysfunctions, psychosomatic problems, all this can be included. Then drugs in psychiatry is important, and different treatment modalities, non-pharmacological treatment modalities, then community psychiatry and psychiatric emergencies, all these are important topics coming in psychiatric nursing. So these are the main subjects. and the mark distribution from and on analyzing the previous year questions of AIIMS. Then the other subjects that include the nursing education, nursing administration, then nursing research and statistics. So about 15 to 20 questions can be expected from these subjects like nursing education, administration and research. Also you should focus on statistics. In the different topics in statistics are also important. So as I told you earlier, the 20 questions will be coming from the GK and current affairs. So hope you understood the syllabus and what to study. So prepare well for the examination, and we are uploading different videos as a preparation for the AIIMS examination. You can watch it, and also if you have not subscribed the channel, subscribe the channel and get the notifications. Best wishes for the exam. Prepare well. Thank you.